Hey, Matt here with 911R. This car is ending in the next few hours. Just want to do a quick walk around and video with it outside. Again, I just really want to emphasize how nice a car this is and how great it drives. The short ratio gearbox in it is night and day from regular one of these. It just totally wakes up. I believe a short ratio gearbox is one of the best things you can ever do on an early 911. I do most of all my own custom builds. This has got some other modifications with like SSI exhaust on it, and the airbox. It's just been really highly maintained. Same owner since 1988. We got 4 cars out of his collection, and this is one of them. This was definitely, his garage and his shop was just like almost F1 style, organized and detailed, and you just see the passion that he had in his cars. But let's just do a quick walk around and kind of see. It's got the great H4 headlights, fog lights, black, beautiful paint. Triple black. Early 911 is cool. The polished wheels with Pirelli 6000s on it. They're are relatively new. But the best thing is these sport throne seats. They are perfect. You just don't see them that way. They're super soft and supple still. It's got the 930S steering wheel, short shift kit, cocoa mats, all original carpet. Only 56 or 57,000 miles on this car. It's as good as they get. The headliner is beautiful in it. Walk around and see the engine in it. Engine is great. It's got the fan upgrade because it came with the 5-blade. This car also does come with a set of another set of heat exchangers and the thermal reactors that these originally had. It's been all service, great compression on it. Just really no questions about it. So bid with confidence on this car. Triple black 911S is super hard to find and rare. New owners will be super excited. Thank you.